So we have some more bullish news regarding Tron and the native currency TRX. They will now be getting more exposure and more adoption in the European markets as well as in the Asian markets. And this is all because of they are now supported by the company Crypto Finance, which is completely regulated as well by the Switzerland financial markets. And so we're going to be diving into the details of this. But before we do, shout out to the partner and the sponsor of today's video. Now with 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗡, this is a company that offers crypto IRAs that gives investors like me and you a way to invest in cryptocurrencies and precious metals 24/7, 365 with a very low cost. Another beautiful thing I like about 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗡 is the institutional grade crypto custody, as in Coinbase custody, as well as Fireblocks. Now, as for the cryptocurrencies and precious metals that we can buy and sell completely tax-free inside of the 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗡 platform, you can see pretty much the top cryptos that are in the space today, and you can also buy and sell gold and silver. So if you'd like to check out 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗡, setting up an account is completely free, and you can also earn $100 in funding if this is your first time. Just click the link in the description below and you'll be good to go. But now let's dive into the Tron bullish news of today's video right after this. Welcome back to the channel, Tron community. I'm Mike the Investor. Now, if we briefly look at the press release here coming from Crypto Finance, this came out May 20th. Crypto Finance to support Tron Blockchain and its native token. Now, you see right here, you have 𝗬𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 Group. And if you remember last year, the end of last year in December, 𝗬𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 Group, they actually took a majority stake into Crypto Finance. And we're going to be briefly taking a look at that here in a second. Now, as we go ahead and move down to just the details, you can see that Crypto Finance is excited to announce the support for the Tron blockchain, as well as clients can now securely trade and store the token that powers the Tron ecosystem, which we know is TRX. Now, our IFNMA regulated brokerage service provides clients seamless market access across this wide range of storable digital assets. And so if you're unfamiliar with the FINMA, they are the supervisory who regulates the financial markets for Switzerland, and we're going to briefly take a look at them in a second as well. Now, starting today, you can see the clients of Crypto Finance have the ability to trade TRX through their trading desk, and they can also store TRX leveraging Crypto Finance secure infrastructure solution. Now, let's briefly take a look at who is Crypto Finance, right? Well, Crypto Finance is a group that provides institutional and professional investor products and services with a level of quality, reliability, and security that is unique in the digital asset space today. Now, the group provides asset management with the first regulated asset manager for crypto asset funds, authorized by the FINMA, which we're going to take a look at, brokerage services for 24/7 crypto asset trading. Now, Crypto Finance is also pretty prestigious. Listen to this. They've been here since 2017, including as Crypto Valley top 50 blockchain company, also a top 100 Swiss startup, and in 2019 got the Swiss FinTech Award winner. So you can see this is a pretty prestigious company. Now, if we head over to who is the FIN real quick, you can see an independent supervisory authority. FINMA is a Switzerland independent financial markets regulator, and its mandate is to supervise banks, insurance companies, financial institutions, collective investment schemes, and their asset managers and fund management companies. Now, it also regulates insurance intermediaries. It is in charge with protecting creditors, investors, and policyholders, and the FINMA is responsible for ensuring that Switzerland financial markets function effectively. And so you can see this is a huge company, and this is who they are regulated by. Now, if we look at 𝗬𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 Group here, you can see the release date of this press release, December 2021, December 16th. Now, the acquisition lays the foundation for building an independent, transparent, and highly scalable ecosystem for digital assets under European regulation. Now, listen to this. The expansion of the customer base will be intensified with the focus on Germany in Europe and Singapore in Asia. So you can see right there that Tron is now going to get more exposure and more adoption in Europe as well as in the Asian markets. Now check this out real quick. Let's just take a look at Tron. If you look at the numbers, over 94 million accounts, over 3.2 billion transactions. And if we briefly just move down here, here's the current price of Tron, about a little over 7.5 cents. You can see what the 24-hour volume is, almost 800 million. And if you look right here, total market cap about 7.3 billion is the total market cap, currently ranked number 15 out of all the other cryptocurrencies. And so as we can see, looking at just those quick stats, we can see that the Tron blockchain is growing, more users, well over 94 million, on its way to 100 million accounts. We can see it's the number 15 rank out of all other cryptocurrencies with the condition that the market is currently in. And we can also see it's constantly getting more adoption and more exposure as well by financial companies and management funds. And so with all that being said, let me know down in the comment section what you think about this news. Do you think this is bullish? Also put TRX down in the comment section if you are part of the Tron community. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.